If you don't want to get tired on YouTube, if you don't want to get frustrated on YouTube, if you don't want to get pissed off, or if you don't want to say, oh, I'm not doing YouTube again, then you need to listen to some of these things that I'm about to tell you. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how I have been able to successfully continue my YouTube journey despite the ups and downs. Okay, with that being said, let's just dive right into this video. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe Sonia, and I am back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments. Lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And with that being said, let's just get into my number one. If you don't want to get tired on YouTube and you want to continue uploading on YouTube, the first thing that I will be talking about is choose a niche that is convenient for you. Don't go into niches because people are going into niches. Don't go into tutorials because Sonia is doing tutorials and Sonia is excelling. There are different niches that you can also go into that you can excel. The only problem you have is that you are not seeing those potentials. If you go into niches that at the end of the day, you are waiting for Sonia to come and upload videos before you upload videos. You're waiting for Sonia to come and say the next thing before you say the next thing. You are going to get frustrated. And once you get frustrated, the next thing that will be coming to your mind is, I want to quit YouTube. So if you don't want to be among those ones that will be saying, oh, I want to quit YouTube, go into niches that are convenient for you. Niches that is comfortable for you. If you're a sit-at-home mom, you're a nursing mother, you check out niches that you can do without stress. A lot of people have left this their YouTube journey because they go into niches that is not convenient for them at all. They go into niches that getting a video, getting one particular video is a whole lot of stress for them. They go into niches that at the end of the day, they will still get this video and this video will give them issues on YouTube. It is very important to do niches that is convenient and comfortable for you so that you don't need to rely on people. So somebody might be doing celebrity gist, for example, and you feel like, oh, because the celebrity gist is really working out for her very well, and you also need to go and jump into that celebrity gist because you want to get audience as well. And mind you, number one, you don't even know how to react to celebrity gist. You don't know the right videos to use. You don't know how that person is able to like implement all of those things for that person to be where he or she is. At the end of the day, you get frustrated because you might end up getting all of those subscribers, all of those watch hour, and get your channel monetized, but at the end of the day, you get demonetized. So that is why I said go into niches that is very, very comfortable and affordable for you. A lot of people go into niches that they keep buying and buying and buying. Why going into niches that you start spending and you're not making anything on YouTube because this person is doing that niches, then because this person is doing that niche and this person is progressing? You don't know the background of this person. You don't know how this person started. So go into niches that is affordable for you. You don't go into niches that you are going to be spending, buying, and at the end of the day, you are not yet monetized on YouTube. You stayed 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. You are not monetized, you get frustrated, and then you leave. So as a YouTuber, if you're watching me, make sure that in picking out your niche, if you so want to pick out a specific niche, go into those niches that are very, very comfortable and affordable for you. The second thing I'm going to be talking about, if you don't want to get frustrated on YouTube, is don't look at your views. I keep saying this. Don't look at your views. The more you keep looking at your views, the more depressed you are going to be. I remember when I was starting and I was not even having so many views. I post videos 3 days, I'm seeing 20 views, I'm seeing 50 views. The more I keep looking at the views, the more they think, it keep ringing in my head that YouTube platform is not for you. But when I noticed that looking at the views actually discouraged me, I moved my mind out of that place and I focused on my upload and my consistency. So when I post videos, I don't even care to come back and say, oh, let me see how many views it's getting. If I'm going to my YouTube studio, I'm going to my YouTube studio because I'm going to be checking my analysis and everything that I'm going to be getting. Views should not be your concern. Remove your eyes from views. If you keep looking at your views, you will get discouraged. A lot of people are discouraged to upload videos today on YouTube because of their views. A lot of people decided to stop uploading videos at all because of their views. A lot of people deleted YouTube channel as a whole because of their views. You don't need to focus on your views. Focus on the content you are creating and the content you're bringing on the table. If you focus on those content, trust me, when those views are going to come, they are going to come massively. And those views are not just going to come as views. They are going to come as what? Views, watch hour, monetization, getting revenue, and every other stuff. They're going to come in full package. So if you are still creating content, or you're watching this video and you're still thinking about your views, oh my views, oh my views, why with Sonia my views, because I get a lot of these comments, a lot. Sonia, my views are not going. Sonia, my views are this. Sonia, my views are that. Focus on the kind of content you are bringing and forget about your views. If I was focusing on my views, where I am today with over 40,000 subscribers, I don't think I will be there. Even till date, I don't even focus on my views. Even if I get 1,000 views, I get 200 views, I get 300 views, I am still grateful. So that is another thing that I want you to do. You need to learn how to what? Remove your mindset when it comes to views, so that you don't get frustrated at the end of the day. The third thing that gets people frustrated is lack of consistency on YouTube. So most people will be like, oh, because Sonia is posting every day, I want to start posting every day. Are you sure you're going to be consistent in posting every day? Are you sure posting consistently every day will actually work for you? That is another thing you need to ask yourself. Because the more you keep posting every day, and at the end of the day, you're not getting the results you're looking for, you get frustrated. And before you know, you say, oh, I'm leaving YouTube, or I'm quitting YouTube, or YouTube is not for me, or YouTube is for the strong-hearted. You need to learn to work with what is comfortable for you, the consistency that is comfortable for you. If your consistency is you want to be putting out videos 3 times in a week, fine, go ahead. That is your own consistency. What you should focus on is, if I'm bringing this video now, should I be bringing a valuable content or any kind of content? So it is very, very much important for you to focus on the consistency that best work for you, so that at the end of the day, you don't break down. That's why you see some people, after uploading for a whole period, in 1 month, 2 months, you're no longer seeing them again. Because why? They are tired. You don't know the kind of plan or the kind of work that Sonia put into place to be able to upload every day. So why trying to come and say, oh, you want to start uploading every day as well? And who even told you that Sonia will continue to upload every day? You understand what I'm trying to say? So you're going to do with what best suits you, what is working for you, so that at the end of the day, YouTube algorithm will be able to pick and say, okay, this Mr. A is uploading every 3 days in a week. This Mr. B is uploading every 2 days in a week. This Mr. C is uploading every once in a month, is uploading twice in a month. So focus on the consistency that works for you, so that you don't get frustrated. The fourth thing that makes you get frustrated on YouTube and you feel like you're quitting your YouTube channel is what? You want to be like Mr. A. You want to be like Mr. B. You want to be like Dinah Ekweme. You want to be like Sonia Onoja. You want to be like Lifeline of Sarah. You want to be like Vibe with Sonia. You want to be like Mr. What's his name? Dr. Thomas. You want to be like Dr. Kenneth. You want to be like this person. You want to be like that person. The moment you start faking your life on YouTube, trust me, you will get frustrated, and at the end of the day, you will quit your channel. Because we that you are faking your life to, we are seeing it. Even if you're faking your life when it comes to content, and even if it's tutorial, you don't just want to do this tutorial, but because it is just sellable, because this person is just doing it, let me just go and do it. You will get frustrated along the line, you will get stuck. Stop trying to be like Mr. A when it comes to YouTube. Do what is best for you. Stop trying to be like Mr. B when it comes to the kind of gadgets that this person uses, the kind of gadget I want to use. The kind of phone that this person is using to film video is kind of phone. I've gone to so many comment sections, you see questions like, oh, what phone do you film with? What camera do you film with? What this do you film? All of those questions, I'm not saying they are bad questions, they are good questions. But in as much as you're asking, you can be making your research and be piling them up to when you are going to be getting the money or getting the resources to buy exactly what you want to buy. But living fake on YouTube, fake life on YouTube, or trying to be like one person on YouTube, trying to do what this person is doing on YouTube so that you think it's going to work for you, might frustrate you. Because at the end of the day, if you see that this person is getting that thing that is really working for him or her, and you are not getting it, you get frustrated, and at the end of the day, you're going to say, okay, I'm quitting my YouTube channel, I'm no longer doing again, YouTube is not for me, YouTube is for the faint-hearted, YouTube is for this, YouTube is for that. So if you don't want to get frustrated on YouTube, you see these 4 things that I'm talking about, put it into consideration and run with it. Work with it and do what you know how to do best. And if you want us to rebrand your channel for you, if you want us to go into your channel, check your channel to see what is working, what is not working, we do it for chicken money. You can see the flyers displaying on the screen. All you need to do is to send us a mail at faithonoja3195@gmail.com, and we are going to be entering your YouTube with just chicken money, just small money, to check and tell you how you can be able to move forward before 2025. And I hope this video is able to help anyone out there. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. But first, if you have any video requests that you want me to film for you, let me know in the comment section, because my job here is, as you request, I deliver. Bye, I love you. Mwah.